Hey everyone, this is Jason. In this video, I'm going to show you the job, um, the filtering job. And so this is a very easy job. All you're going to do is I'm going to provide you with a list of URLs, and you need to go through the list of URLs and check to see if the URL has any broken links. So in order to do this job, you're going to need a couple plugins, and you're going to have to use Google Chrome browser to do this job. So I have Google Chrome open right now, and I will show you the plugins that you will need to get. So you will need to get this plugin here. It's called Check My Links. You will need to get the plugin called Copy All URLs, and you will need to get the plugin Open Multiple URLs. So all you need to do is do a search for these words, and you should be able to find a plugin. So for example, Check My Links. If we go here to get more extensions, all you have to do is type in Check My Links, hit enter. And I already have the plugin installed, so that may be the reason why it's not coming up. But anyway, you type in the name, and then you will find the plugin. The next one is Copy All URLs. There it is right there. So for Check My Links, what you might want to do is type in Broken Link Checker, because that's basically the functionality it does. So type in Broken Link Checker. It's still not showing. So let's try Link Checker, or let's try Broken Links. Actually, let's try now. I may have had it incorrect. Extensions. Well, if you have trouble finding it, just send me actually what you can do is you can do it this way. If you can't find it, you just go to Google and type it in. Check My Links Chrome, and here it is. So you open that. This is the plugin right here. So all you're going to do is add that to Chrome, and you're good to go. You have that plugin. The next one, like I said, is called Copy All URLs. So you would do a search for that, and there it is. You would install that one. And lastly, the last one you want to do is Open Multiple URLs. That's the last plugin you want to get. I misspelled that, I think. Open Multiple URLs. So that's the third plugin you want to get. Once you get those plugins, then you can start with the process. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to email you or send you a list of URLs that you're going to filter. And I have OpenOffice, but you can use Excel. And so this is an example list of URLs that you would have to filter. And so the idea here is that you would copy a list of URLs and you would paste them into Chrome. Now I recommend that you do, depending on the speed of your computer, I recommend that you do a list between 10 maybe 20 or 30, but no more than 30 because it may slow down your machine, because basically what you're doing is you're opening up multiple you're opening up multiple websites at the same time. And so if you open up too many websites, then your computer's going to slow down. So I'm going to go ahead and just do this 12 here. I think I accidentally opened that one by accident. So what I'll do is I'll just grab these. I'm going to copy, and the first one you're going to do is the open multiple URLs, and all you have to do is paste that, and there you go. You have a list of all of the URLs that you want to open. Now this is very important. Each URL needs to start with HTTP // Everyone has to start that way, because if you don't, if for any reason, if it's like this, then it's not going to open. So you want to make sure each website, this website is on 2 lines, which is totally fine. But every website has to have HTTP in front, and I should be providing you that format anyway. But in case if one is not, then you need to put HTTP in there. The next thing you need to do is just click on Open URLs. Once you do that, then you can just click off the screen and this will go away. Or you can click here, and then that'll go away. You can actually close the Google, and these are the websites that you need to check. So what you need to do is you need to check each website to see if there's a broken link. And so the quickest way, my recommendation, is you start from one side and you go all the way to the other side. By the way, you're going to have an extra tab open, so just go ahead and close that after you do the open multiple URLs. So you start from one side, and all you have to do is click on this one, which is check my links. When you click that, what happens is that the program will run, and it'll check all of the backlinks on the site. It'll check all of the link bait, it'll check all of the anchor text. So this is running, and it tells us right now that there's 77 bad links on the page. And so what you can do, you don't have to wait till this finishes. You can just go to the next one, click on check my links. As soon as it starts, go to the next one and just keep doing that. This way you will do it very quickly. So that one started. Go to the next one. And remember, what we want to do here is we want to keep all of the sites that have more than one or more bad links. Any site that has 0 bad links, we're not interested in that. Alright, so let's go back to the beginning. This is another thing. If the link checker doesn't complete to 100%, but you do have broken links, then you can count that one. So we will put this in our spreadsheet. The next one, it has 5 broken links in it completed. Now another thing you have to be aware of is that you need to check the page for the links. It says there's 5 links, but if we look on the page, we only see 1 red link. So make sure that there are bad links visible on the page. If you don't see any visible red links and it still says that there are links, then treat that as a page that has good links, because we need to see the bad links. Okay, so the next one, there's 9. Let's see if we can find them. Okay, so we have a red right there, so that's good. The next one, there's 162. We can see all of the red links, so that's good. We're going to keep that. You can see them there. You can see them there. You can see them there. There it is. You can see it there. You can see it there. You can see it there. So basically all of the sites here had bad links, which is good. But let's say this site, for example, did not have any red links. What we would do is we would close it. Any site that doesn't have any bad links, you're going to close it, and you only want to keep the ones opened that have bad links. The next thing you're going to do is you want to copy each one of these URLs. So instead of manually copying each one by one, if you click on the umbrella, copy URLs to clipboard, you click that, click on copy, it tells you that the URLs were successful. You're going to go back to your Excel document, you're going to go to a new tab, and you're going to name that tab filter. And then you're going to paste the URLs. I'm using OpenOffice, so it's a little different, but it's the same idea. And so this contains the list of URLs that have broken links. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go through the list, I would say 20 at a time, and go through the list. Thank you very much for watching.